Hi viewers, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day, and I'm back to my regular schedule like I ain't never left, you guys. I just finished getting my workout in, and that felt good to be back and working out. Though I am so tired right now, I have a lot on my agenda to do today, so I'm not even going to stick around with this intro too long. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. If it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe right now and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. I'm going to insert a little clip to show you guys a little of what I did this morning. But if you want to work out with me each and every day, just head over to my workout channel at Body After Baby. The link is also down below in the description box, and if you scroll down on this page, you will see the link of my both channels down below, my workout channel and my food channel. My food channel is at Mel's Kitchen Jamaica, and my workout channel again is at Body After Baby, you guys. So go ahead and work out with me. Hello, don't tell me that you're gonna wait until New Year's. It's New Year's right now. Start now, okay? You guys will see the rest of the fam. I'm just coming on to intro real quick. Everybody's home today, so you guys will see everybody in a bit. So have a blessed day, have a good day, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Say morning to Faves.
Morning to Faves.
Guess what Tyler just realized? That he haven't opened his Christmas boxes yet. So he's excited to see what's in it.
I can see what's in it.
Yes, open it. Go ahead.
This.
What's that?
Christmas coin chocolate.
Yeah, what else is in there? What's that? Show Faves.
Lollipop.
A Santa lolly. And
I candy maker.
that's it.
I need yours.
No, leave mine. So Tyler got these in his socks.
Sarah,
When she wake up,
open
and Santa candy.
the baby.
When she wake up, okay?
Okay.
He's wake up in his costume this morning. Not now, after lunch. Oh Lord, yeah, massage it when you come back. Say hello to the Faves.
Hi guys, this is my Christmas, one of my Christmas gifts
From who?
from my wonderful wife. The wife number one.
Wife number 1, number 2, number 3, right to 100. This is the gift you guys didn't see when the camera stopped.
Oh.
This was babe gift. The camera had cut off.
That's a jacket. That's a nice jacket. Ooh. Warm, nice jacket.
I love it.
And when
Hey.
Mama.
Ray, goody, that new jacket. You look so cozy.
Thank you.
I'm happy you like it. So you're taking it off?
Because I'm not gonna wear this one today.
Why?
Because
So why you took it out?
Because I need pockets with. I'm not gonna carry no bags.
But it have pocket.
Yeah, but the pocket don't close.
It does. It have a button.
Okay, let's see. Hold on.
And you still have the tag on the
Yeah, I have
hand.
a card. So.
The pocket closed. Too funny. Babe heading out. And let's go to the supermarket. I ain't going. Gosh, tell them the news about our city.
Not good.
Not good at all. Our city is the worst city for coronavirus in France as of right now. Right, babe?
Yep.
Not good. Not good at all. I wonder why though.
I don't know too.
I'm wondering why. But our city is now the worst. Not good. Anyway, you guys, babe heading out to the supermarket. Well, I am getting this house, trying to get it back to its normal states. I'm tired already. See me catching my hair? It needs the oil. You guys, they just got back from the supermarket, jumped right into work. So it's just me and Kai for the supermarket haul today in his Darth Vader costume. He got the real Darth Vader costume for Christmas. So I'm having hell with him and being in this Darth Vader character with sword and all. And he doesn't want to take it off. When he's not a ninja, he's Darth Vader. When he's not Darth Vader, he's Spider-Man. Alright, ready to see what Papa got us?
Yes.
Alright, let's go.
This bag.
This bag first. Wow, Papa find a big deal on your biscuit. Papa
Did
get
it?
3-pack.
That was the only way to get his biscuit, to get a big pack. He's a big pack and no
Tyler
pack.
favorite biscuit.
I have 30 happy biscuits.
Oh, you know it's 30. No,
5 or
not 30.
50.
How many?
15.
Right, 15.
5, 5, because 5 and 5 make 10, and plus 5 is another 5. We come from 11 to 12, and 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That means 15.
Alright, let's see what this Papa got us.
Ooh, donut.
Donuts and
Mama,
compote.
he didn't get the right one.
It is the right one, it's just a new box.
It's just the box.
It's just the box change,
The
but
package
it's the same
change.
thing.
Inside is the same one.
Stop!
Je vais te la forcer.
Okay, what's this? Oh God, them in Darth Vader mode, please.
Allez. What is that? Is egg. Egg. You know that one don't eat egg?
No, you don't eat
Yeah,
eggs.
you're right. He eats mushroom and a lot of carrot and a lot of
What's
broccoli.
this? What did you tell me about carrot when Papa got to the supermarket?
I told you that that like you two don't eat a lot of carrot. You need to eat a lot of carrot because it's good for your eyes. You two don't eat a lot of carrot, and me, I do.
Why you think Papa and I don't eat a lot of carrot?
Because you have
Stop.
glasses. That means you don't eat a lot
He
of
said me
carrot.
and Papa wear glasses so we don't eat a lot of carrot. He doesn't wear glasses so he eats a lot of carrot.
That's
Can you
true.
leave my hair, please?
No, I can't. Can't.
Can you go ahead with this talk? Can't manage. Tell us, stop.
You can't.
Oh my God. Alright, I'm gonna start counting. 1. Alright, what is this?
Zucchini.
Very good.
I'm
What
not a
is,
crazy.
how this so small?
Yeah, that was the only salmon there. Only salmon there, so you get it. Be
They look
happy.
like me go beg it.
Be glad. That was the only one. You got it?
So little.
You're happy. It's better than nothing. It's
I'm
better
not
than
happy
nothing. Guys, I
because
don't
I
think
love
she give
summer.
me enough credit for the supermarket haul.
You really said that I'm gonna slap you with the chicken.
I don't think you give me
If you
enough
said that,
credit.
I'm gonna slap you with the chicken.
Papa,
Yes, Tyler.
if you stop
I'm not getting no
talk,
credit at all.
if you
Look at Mama, look at
stop
Mama, she
talk, stop. If you stop talking and you win 100 times, I mean a 5-time rock paper scissors.
No.
With Mama, you get $100. If you lose, Mama get $100
Tyler, look at Mama.
to pay
She
you.
look lost
Like
with a
that,
pack of
she
chicken.
can
What
eat
can I
you.
say? What can I do
Can
with
we
chicken?
just do the supermarket haul? Tyler, come back.
What
with
is
this.
that? You call it chicken.
Tyler, let go of my hair. It hurts. What is this?
Chicken. Rooster.
Chicken. What is this?
Tomato.
Tomato. Tomato.
Tomato mayo.
Tomato mayo. What is mayo? What is this?
Dimanche lundi.
What is this?
Pourquoi elle a écrit dimanche lundi?
No, c'est pas vrai. No, it's a lunch.
No.
Stop now. What is this? What is this? Finish. One. Cucumber. What is this?
No, I mean that is green juice because we need to make a green juice.
What is this?
Chocolate.
Cookie.
No, chocolate.
What's these two? What's this one?
Raclette.
Breast. What's this one?
Pasta.
Beef means.
No, pasta.
Okay.
And raclette.
Okay. This.
That's called a bread. A bread to do toast for kind of breakfast.
What is this?
That's called a pois chiche.
Chickpeas.
Pois chiche.
Pois chiche en français, c'est pas français.
Chickpeas. Why you take 3-pack? Why you get 3-pack of chickpeas?
I'm not crazy. You.
What's this, Tyler?
You. You're lying.
Tyler, what is that?
Milk.
What kind of milk?
Almond.
What's this?
Amanda milk.
Not
Tyler, tu t'es coiffé avec un pétard aujourd'hui? That's a French expression. Coiffé avec un pétard. That's a pétard is a craft. So is it like a firecraft?
Firecraft.
Yeah, like you turn it on and
Oh, firecrackers.
so you put that in your hair. Yeah, and that's why you say
We do that at Christmas
he
time.
brushes his hair with a firecraft.
Quinoa.
Not neatly done.
Quinoa.
What's this?
Tuna toi-même.
I would like two of this.
Because the second one
Wanna
was
see
80% off. So me, I took what? The second one was 80% off. 80. So you only pay 20% of the price. What should I do? To
Laundry
take
soap.
4,
Mama.
take 10, not
I'm
only
going to
one.
put this somewhere cold like that. I can eat my ice cream soon.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna put it in your
That
head.
is toothpaste, y'all.
Papa, put this somewhere where it's super cold. The most coldest part in our
Avocado.
house. Like that I can eat
Since
Yeah,
we are
it's
doing
cold.
strawberry ice cream.
Cucumber, we have cucumber. What else we have? We have avocado, we have lemon, we have everything to make a green juice. We have broccoli for salad.
Alors il est où le gingembre?
We don't have no gingembre.
But it's to make
Yeah,
green juice.
yellow kiwi, that was the only way to get yellow kiwi. She not complain much today. She not complain much today.
Let's see.
Lettuce.
That's new. We're not in 2021. She already take new resolution to do the haul and not to complain. Rice. That sounds good. Continue.
Corn.
Corn. Yeah. What about corn?
Pumpkin.
And this
Pumpkin.
and
Yeah, because Tyler has so much black teeth, he needs to brush it so much. He needs
No,
to brush
Papa.
it so much.
Papa, not to
I
that.
should have get you 2 toothbrushes so you can brush the 2 in the same time to go faster.
Papa, I want to tell you something. Yes.
Cereal bar, that's the main, that's the key. What's next? Come on,
Yogurt
faster.
for Mama and me, not for Papa.
Celery in this. So you bring home no little surprise, no little cheesecake, no little,
No cheesecake
no
was
crepe.
there, no crepe was there.
no little surprise.
Yeah, I
for
got
us?
you a surprise.
No,
I got you a cookie and a happy biscuit and a lot of chocolate. All the chocolate you have, you want some other surprise, some other sweet. You already
Didn't make a
eat
recipe was
so
so
much
sweet.
sweets.
I didn't tell you what. You guys, to the supermarket haul is not much, so that's the end of everything.
No.
If you don't like your supermarket haul, give a thumbs up. Say
Yogurt
that
for Sarah.
she's fire. You are fire. Officially fire from the supermarket.
Mama, how many for me
If they're not doing it, I have to do it. I have things to do around here. I don't have time for them fooling.
Vacation time, you know, when you have the it's like the person.
They're driving me
place.
crazy.
Oh.
All three of them, him, Sarah, and Tyler, they're driving me nuts.
That's it.
That's it.
We didn't see what is beside the salary. The surprise beside the salary.
That's not true. You're a liar. You're going to hell. Say hello to your friends. I'm not sure if they see you all day. Say hi. 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 You just want to dance for them? Hi. Can you say hi? Hi. Say hi. 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 Cuckoo. 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 No, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Go dance for them then. Dance. Go, Sarah. Go, Sarah. Yours. Go, Sarah. Go, Sarah. Go, go, go. Shake, 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 shake. Take that out your mouth. Shake, shake, shake. Thank you. Good girl. Yay. Go, Sarah. Go, Sarah. Go, Sarah. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake it, shake, shake. Bye-bye. Mama going to cook dinner. As long as you see yourself, you're happy with that, right? She could stay here and dance all day. Hey, shake, 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 shake your booty. Shake, 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 shake your booty. Shake, 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 shake your booty, girl, shake your booty, shake your booty, shake your booty, shake, 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 shake your booty. Shake, shake. Listen, she have to be my kid. Y'all see this Santa Claus that my father-in-law give to Tyler. Look at it. Hilarious. Anyway, you guys, I just took a break from working and I am going to make dinner right now. On the menu today is fish, quinoa, broccoli and carrot. Back to basics, honey child. Grow from the earth. Out of the ground sprouted flowers, trees, and grass. That was the end of day 3. God wasn't done making things. On the 4th day, he said, "Let there be lights in the sky." He made the sun to shine during the day and the moon to grow at night. To glow at night.
What is glow?
Glow means the moon to become bright in the sky. He hung all the stars in the sky and made each one sparkles. On the 5th day, God said, "Let there be birds to fly in the air and fish to swim in the sea." The water was soon filled with all kinds of wonderful swimming creatures. Up in the air, birds of all sizes soared, whooped, and fluttered. On the 6th day, God made animals, all kinds, that walk on earth. everything from tiny bugs to giant elephants. But God was still not done creating. God made human beings, a man and a woman. They were his most special creation because they were made in his image. God was very happy with everything he had made. This is very good, he said. The seventh day came and God finally stopped working. He made this day special and set it apart for himself and his people to enjoy everything he had made.
But he forgot to do one thing.
What did he forget to do?
The house.
He forget to make the house?
Yes.
I don't think he forgot to make the house, because he made human beings. He made the man and the woman. So it's the man and the woman that's going to make the house. Aha. See? God made them in his image to take care of his wonderful world. So God make us so we can take care of the world. Understand?
And this no.
And everything else. To make the very first man, God took dust from the ground and shaped it. God breathed life into the man and he came alive. God named him Adam. So the first man that was ever created, what's his name?
Adam.
Adam. God planted a beautiful garden to be Adam's home. It was called the Garden of Eden.
Eden. What's Eden?
That's the name of the garden that was Adam's home. Okay? The trees in the garden were full of sweet, juicy fruit for Adam to eat. Then God said, "It's not good for Adam to be by himself. I will make the perfect helper for him." God brought all the animals to Adam, and Adam gave each of them a name. But none of the animals was the right helper for Adam. So God made Adam fall into a deep sleep. God took a rib from Adam's side and made it into a woman. Stop doing that.
Woman.
God brought her to Adam. Adam was so happy at last. He said, "Here is the perfect partner for me."
And
Adam named the woman Eve.
Eve.
So what's the name of the first woman God created?
Eden.
No.
Eve.
Exactly. So the first man was called?
Adam.
The first woman was called?
Eve.
And where did Adam home? Where was Adam home?
Eden.
Exactly. Garden of Eden. Okay. Adam and Eve were very happy in the Garden of Eden. God had made it just for them. And it was the perfect place for them to be.
And for the other person.
Well,
Another pig.
for now it's just Adam and Eve that exist. No other person exists. Only Adam and Eve. They were the first man and the first woman to be made in the entire world.
Another pig.
This boy ain't gonna stop. Okay, I'm gonna read another page. Anyway, you guys, I'm coming on. We are gonna end the vlog right here while I go finish read Tyler these Bible stories because he doesn't want to stop. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. It wasn't much. We're back home though. Honey, can you say bye to the fish? We see you over there.
Letter my amigos.
Can I add to that?
Adios, amigos.
Oh lordy, too many languages.
Amigos.
Anyway, you guys, if you're new to the Fam Bam, give
Amigos.
speaking. If you're new to the Fam Bam, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up with the Fam Bam. And if you're wondering what I'm reading to Tyler, I'm reading this book that he got for Christmas from my mom that is called 100 Bible Stories for Children, and obviously he likes it. So we'll be reading this book until it finishes. So if you want it for your kids, I think it's a good read. Anyway, you guys, we see y'all tomorrow.
Mama, tell them what the story's about. The story's about God make things.
God created the heaven and the earth.
He
right?
make the first woman, he make the first man, he make plants, he make sun, he make moon, he make light, he make stars, he make animals. That's it.
Alright, you guys, we'll see y'all tomorrow.